Hey there, I've got a really weird issue with my brand new Renault Clio V. This is a 2020 car. I'm just going to show you the issue. The car is running at the moment. Let me just jump in. So, shut the door so you can hear better. So yeah, the car's running. Car turns on normally, but the problem that I'm facing is that we get this on the dash. So we have the indicators on permanently. We have no head unit. So the head unit doesn't turn on. There's no multimedia or anything like that. Things like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto don't work. The heating system does work. Things like the sort of driver's control stuff, so like these buttons, they work, and the cruise control works. But things like the parking sensors don't work. It's really, really weird. This car is brand new. When I picked it up, everything was working just perfectly. You know, the multimedia system was working as you'd expect. As you can see down there, the car has done 165 miles, if you see, so it really is properly brand new. What I think is happening is the car is in transport mode. I think this is these two indicators being on here are what the sort of mode the car would be on if it was being moved around the ship, where it gets transported from the factory to the country where it's being sold. I'm pretty sure, because everything is fairly normal, like the car drives fine, but especially when you move away, so at very low speed, it feels like it has significantly reduced power. Sort of like what you'd want if you were trying to park a car really delicately in a boat, is you want the throttle response to be really, really poor, and that's what it has at the moment. Like at low speed, the throttle response is terrible, but at high speed, everything is just fine and normal. Anyway, it's a super weird issue. I'm just taking this video really because I'm going to show it to the dealer, who I'm going to have to take the car back to. Yeah, I'll update this video with more stuff when I figure out what's wrong with it. I've also got one of these little Bluetooth OBD scanners, so I think I will quickly scan the ECU, and I'll see if there's any codes which make it obvious, and I'll update you if I find anything good. And I've connected my Bluetooth OBD2 scanner just here. It's in the sort of passenger footwell here on a right-hand drive car, and I've run the codes, and if you can see that, no fault codes found. So the system isn't finding any obvious fault codes, so I guess next step is to call the dealer and figure out what they say. Okay, quick update. So the Renault is fixed. A lovely man from the RAC, which is a breakdown company here in the UK, came out, sent by Renault for free, and he fixed it. So let me show you how to fix, there you go, see, this is now working. Let me show you how to fix transport mode on a brand new Renault Clio V. So you've got to go to the fuse box here in the front. The fuse box is here. We just pop off this cover like so. Oh, it's a bit stiff. There we go. Pop off that cover, and there you can see inside the fuse box. Let me just move this camera in. The transport mode switch is this one here. It's down here at the bottom. Let me just get my torch here so you can see a bit more light. See exactly what I'm talking about. Can you see it there at the bottom? It's this one right here. That one there is the transport mode switch in the bottom right hand corner. Basically that has to be pulled out to be out of transport mode, and mine was pushed in, and that's what caused the whole issue in transport mode. When the RAC guy fixed that, everything came to life. So I hope that helps someone who's looking to get their car out of transport mode. If it is, it's that fuse right there. Obviously if your car is left-hand drive, then it'll be somewhere else, but hopefully that helps you. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Cheers.